In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery in your Nissan NV key fob. You can do this whole process yourself at home. You do not need to bring your key fob to the dealership. You'll just need a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2025 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around or you're not sure where to find one, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon where you can get these particular batteries for just a few dollars. Now the first step here is just to come and look on the bottom of the device. You can see down where the key ring would attach. There's that opening. You can put your flathead. You can also put a coin in there and just insert and twist. Give it a little twist and it will start to open up. You can then just pull it apart with your fingers, or if it's still a little bit stuck, just go in the opening on the side and twist. There we go. Now we have access to the battery and we're just going to use the same flathead to pry it out. So I'm going to come up in one of the corners in the top here, and I'm going to use the corner of the flathead to get under the battery and lift it up. So just get under there and gently lift it up and it will pop right out. It does not take much force. So go ahead and grab your new CR2025, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing down. And you will just simply drop it into place and push it down and it will sit in there nicely. And now you could just reattach these two pieces. So just line them up, give them a squeeze, and with that you are all set. You can see how easy that is. You know, if you brought this to the dealership, they charge you a ton to do the same thing. You can do the whole thing yourself at home for just the price of one of these batteries. So I hope this helped you out. I hope it saved you some money. And if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a like or let me know down in the comments. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials like this one for the key fobs for almost every make and model out there. You can also get all this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.